everyone, today I am going to explain about autofill in MS Excel. The autofill feature is used to enter a predefined series of data such as text or numbers in a worksheet quickly. You need to specify the first two values of the series in order to determine the increment value of the series. You can create both numeric data series and series of dates, weekends or months. To create a numeric data series, follow the given steps. Step 1. Enter the first two values of data into adjacent cells and select both the cells. Step 2. Click the fill handle present on the lower right corner of the selected cells. Drag it to enclose the desired area to be filled with the series of numbers. Example 2. To create a predefined series of days, follow the given steps. Step 1. Enter the first value of the series in first cell and select it. Step 2. Click the fill handle and drag it and close the desired area to fill with the series of data. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I'll come up with a new topic next video. Thank you.